Hello lovely, I'm Lisa from Milk and Honey Photography and the Milky Way, and I'm so excited to be a presenter for the Uncommon Creative Collective in September in Niagara, and I want you to be there. I know sometimes trying something new, maybe stepping out of your comfort zone, can be totally scary. And I know that from experience, the first conference that I ever went to, I was kind of nervous. But I want you to be there. Feel the fear and do it anyways. It is such an amazing experience to be surrounded in a room with like-minded individuals, people who know your struggles, who know what you're going through. The power of the personal relationships you are going to build is incredible. Now, I know going someplace new can be totally scary. So I want to tell you, if you're scared and you're on the fence, get off the fence, come join us. You're going to love it. You can come sit with me. Come find me. Let me know that you're feeling a little nervous, you're a little scared, and you can come with me. We'll hang out together. Now, the things that you're going to learn, you guys, it's amazing. The quality of presentations and structures that the Uncommon Creative Collective have is going to blow your mind. You are going to love this. So, next step, go buy your ticket, get your plane ticket, make sure you come find me. I want to see you in September, and we're going to have a blast.